Hello, so I'm propm. Welcome to my channel. Uh, Not a long time ago, I made this video about the new R8 revolver, and I actually got a kind of good response to my video, or feedback. Well, better than most videos do in the first 24 hours. That's what I'm trying to say. More views and actually a positive comment right away, at least one, and 2 likes, and I'm pretty pleased to see stuff like that. And suddenly I got like 3 subscribers, I think, in one day. That's really amazing. So thank you guys. And I'm nearing 50 subscribers. That's pretty insane, I think. I'm really happy, and thanks to all my subscribers. And well, if you're just watching my videos, it's uh, really nice as well. But I was thinking about doing something different this video. Last video was kind of a review about the R8 revolver, or my opinion of this gun. But this, I just got this case while playing, and I saw this guy called Warolv, I think, like, yeah, he's a pro gamer. I'm pretty sure he is, because I was searching for the term Smurf. Somebody called me a Smurf, and I wasn't sure what he meant about that. So I searched and I found a video to this YouTuber, and he had this kind of cool challenge type of thing, where he unboxes, open one of these cases and use that weapon to reach a certain amount of kills. I'm going to do a bit different. I'm not going to open more than what I get, and it's only going to be one at a time. And to begin with, I'm going to have only play one round and try to beat that with the gun I get. I'm trying to get as high kill count as I can in a full game, 10 minutes, and deathmatch game, that is. So I'm trying to beat that next time, and I'm only going to do this when I get a case, like, dropped to me, a case. I'm not going to buy cases because I don't have a lot of money, so I'm not and I have to buy a key, so it's like, well, this is in Norwegian. So, well, let's just open this case then and see what I get. Yeah, okay. I don't like spending money, so actually, well, I kind of do. Okay, let's see. So this is what I can get. Probably I'm going to get something like, I don't know, something like this. Hopefully we get the Deagle, maybe, or the AUG, or whatever, or this SG. Well, well, this would be awesome, like the M4 or the AK. But anyway, let's just see. Are you ready? Let's go. Come on, come on. Give me something good. Give me something good. Ah, damn it. Okay. Well, it's kind of cool, but, well, partially cool. But I think this is going to hell. I have to camp to make this work. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, one thing else. I think this might be a bit cool, seeing somebody not professional try to do this. Like, I started playing last week, and I'm rank 5. I don't know if that's good. And I won a 7 competition, but I always get this stupid cooldown stuff when I play. Oh wait, when I play competition. You see, it's still almost 6 hours till I can start play these matches. So yeah, I'll just take a break before because I just got this case and I was about to take a break anyway. So I'm just going to take a break and we'll take a crack at it. Hello and welcome back. So I just came back from my break, almost at least, and now we're going a full game with the shotgun I unlocked from the case. And this is not going to be fun, now is it? No, it's not. Fuck! I fucked up. Okay, so... Oh, I don't know why I always do that shit. Okay, starting from now. Fortunately, I didn't kill anybody with anything else, because we're only going to have shotgun kills, but this is going to be hard, and I don't want to camp, because people are definitely going to call me a fucking noob. They get so angry if I camp with this shotgun. But I will try to move in places like these more often than other places. Yes, one kill now. I didn't hit him at all from that range. So you see, it's not. Oh fuck! Ah, damn it! It's not really a good gun. Uh oh. Aha! Damn it. Okay. I'm hoping I will manage to sync the volume pretty well. I'm not sure if I... Because that's why I hate this type of videos. I feel it's so hard to... Yes! I got that motherfucker. Sometimes I feel it's so hard to sync video and audio. Holy shit, that's loud. Oh! 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 Yes, motherfucker. But this shotgun is badass in close quarters, but yes! I don't even know. Oh fuck! How many kills? 6. 5 death. That's not too bad considering I'm only using this gun and the first... Oh, sorry, I just drank some soda. So... And the first death was, well, because I fucked up, so... Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, there's definitely coming somebody. Oh! Sorry. I'm glad there's no team kill in this mode, so yeah. I'm not going to hit them from here, so... Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Oh! Ho ho! Fuck you. Oh, no, that's not nice to say. Yeah! Yeah, no, I'm touching... Ah, damn it! Yeah. So... This guy's going to taste it, and I'm going to taste it. Yay! Okay. Oh, I feel like there's somebody around the corner, probably in the pit, maybe. Yeah, I know a couple of words. I'm playing online matchmaking with some Swedish guys now, and I mean, they have played Counter-Strike Go a lot. I think they're, I don't know. Oh shit! They have these ranks or whatever. I'm not. I haven't got any rank. Damn it! Yet, because, well, yeah, I haven't won 10 matches yet. And I haven't. Well, I think I played 10 matches right about now, but I only won 7. I mean, that's not bad, I think, but well, we will see. Ah, damn it! Yay! Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. Yes! I feel like we're doing okay. Yeah, we're first on our team as well. Or I am, but if you're watching, you're with me, kind of. You're on my team. Get it? I hope you are cheering for me. Oh, god damn it, did I hit him? Yes, 55 in damage. That's great. Damn it, I missed like twice, I think. Yes, got him. And that's a nice thing with the shotgun as well, that I can jump and shoot. It doesn't really matter. Come on! Come on! What the fuck? I think I missed the not the last shot, obviously, but the one before. The last shot. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah. This is actually going much better than I expected. Ooh. Nice. Okay. I think there's some. Yes, it is. Ah! I can't believe I missed. Well, at least I didn't hit very well. If I feel like camping in here, but that's oh. Nobody like campers, except not even campers like campers, I think. So I would normally knife him, but this is a challenge, so. Oh, come on! Yes, I got him, and I realized I. Oh, damn it! I realized I talked a little bit Norwegian. No, I fucked up. Oh. Wait. No, that doesn't help. Yeah, because then I die on purpose, because then I don't have to. If I don't kill anybody with another gun, I don't have to find out how much I fucked up. Well, I don't have to take the kills I killed people with another gun and, you know, divide? Is it divide? No, divide is like Norwegian and English ain't really the same language, so I guess you understand. Oh yeah, and yeah, I'm really sorry for audio sound, at least on the mic. The mic ain't the greatest mic in the world. It's some cheap Chinese stuff. Well, I guess they're pretty much all made in China, but this is just really bad. Damn it! It's like 10 damage. Yeah, great. So yeah, I'm looking into a cheap mic. Well, cheap and cheap. It's professional, kind of professional mic. And a lot of guys seem to recommend Blue Snowball. Snowball. And I might buy that one, I think. I hope nobody kills me before I can pull off this shot. And he tried to. Well, I collect all the kills I can get, at least during a challenge like this. Oh, very nice. Yeah, that's very nice. Oh, okay. Try not to kill our teammates, I guess. Damn it! Man. That's... Oh, the time is soon up, so... Yeah, thank you for watching and all that stuff, I guess. And soon we will find out how many kills we managed to score. Oh, come on! One last kill! Yes! Yes! Woohoo! Oh, third place overall. That's not bad. That's not bad. 31 kills, ladies and gentlemen. 31 kills and 21 deaths, so yeah. I will say that's a fair score. Thank you for watching, and I hope I will see you soon. If you like this, please like this video. So if I see that people like it, I might make more of these videos. And yeah, hopefully this was fun, and I will try to improve as well. Bye.